Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a do-it-yourself vision board video. So I thought I would just basically show you guys how I'm making my vision board for 2019 and just kind of like tell you guys like the meaning behind the pictures and why I'm choosing to put certain pictures on my vision board and what my vision board means to me. So if you want to see how I am going to be making this vision board, just keep on watching. Alright, so last year I had made a vision board for 2018 and this is what it looks like. I had all my goals for the year of 2018. I was supposed to reach 5,000 subscribers on YouTube. I didn't reach that. I did stop eating meat. I started thinking more positive. I drank more water. I got a gym membership. I didn't get a new computer. I got new glasses. I did get a camera. I got a Canon. I've been working on clear skin and I've been like tackling my anxiety and stuff, and I didn't purchase this, but a lot of these things I did do. And the thing about vision boards is the fact that you wake up every single day and you look at it, because the way I have my vision board is I have it on top of my bed, so I see it every day, so I just look at it every day, and it really just makes you want to do those things. I didn't get good perfect eyebrows. I didn't achieve that this year. But even though I didn't get everything I wanted on my vision board, I still feel like it made me want to do some of these things right here. So for 2019, this was my 2018 vision board, so I'm just going to take that and put it to the side. And now for 2019, I have all these pictures right here. Some of them are like similar to the ones from last year, from 2018, and some of them are brand new. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut these pictures up and I'm going to put them on my vision board, and I'm just going to take you guys along and I'm going to tell you like why I chose each picture and what each picture means to me. So right here I wrote 2019 on my vision board, and these are all the images that I have cut up for my vision board. If the camera is a little shaky, I'm sorry. I am literally holding this camera with my hand and I'm on the floor right now of my bedroom. So basically I have all these pictures right here that I'm just going to be gluing onto my vision board. So I'm going to start with the center of my vision board, and when you make a vision board, it could be whatever you want it to be. If you want to make a vision board about traveling, that's fine. If you want to make a vision board about fashion, it could just be whatever you want. What I do in mine is I like to mix like goals I have for myself, and I like to just put it on top of my bed so I can see it every day, so I'm reminded of what I want to see for myself for the upcoming year. So the first thing that I'm going to post, the first thing I'm going to glue is that I'm going to glue this quote right here that I have. It says, "God's plan is always the best. Sometimes the process is painful and hard, but don't forget that when God is silent, He's doing something for you." I found this quote on Google, and I really love this quote because it just tells me, like, you know, even though I'm not where I want to be in my life, in my career, or anything like that, but I just know that God is always having a plan for me, and God is the center of my life. So that's why I'm putting this in the center of my vision board. Quote that I really loved was this one I found. It says, "Until God opens the next door for you, praise Him in the hallway." And basically this means that until you're really where you want to be, you should be thanking Him for everything that you have. And this really spoke to me because, you know, there'd be a lot of times where I would just be like, oh my gosh, God, why are you not opening a door for me? Why am I not where I want to be? And I'm realizing that, you know what, I should be grateful of where I am right now. And while I'm waiting for that door to open, why am I not praising and being happy. So I really love this quote. And like I said, the vision board is not just what you want to see for yourself. It could be quotes that help you every day too. So when I read these quotes every day in the morning, they really do help me as well. And so another quote that I really loved is this one right here. This is, life is 10% of what happens to you and 90% of how you react to it. And this is so true. Like, I realize that sometimes I react so easily and get mad at what people say and stuff, and I'm realizing that, you know what, I probably shouldn't react that way, and I probably should just take a step back and really assess how I'm feeling before I react. So I really love this quote right here, because it is true. Life is mostly of how you react to things happening to you, and that could be things out of your control as well, and how you react to it is really important. So I'm just gonna stick this right here, this quote right here. And another quote that I really love is this one. This is one that Amber Scholl loves. This is a Disney quote, Peter McWilliams, and it says, "What if it does not work out? Ah, but what if it does?" And ever since Amber Scholl has been saying this on her channel, I have been loving this quote. So I really love this quote. I'm gonna put this quote right here because it is just something I want to read every day, and it's true. Like, instead of saying to yourself, what if something doesn't work out, why don't you say, what if it does, you know? So this will help me be more positive and thinking that I can do things and achieve things that I really want to. And this one right here says, "Without drive and passion, you will not reach your goals." This is so true. Like, I have so many goals for YouTube, and I have so many goals to do well on YouTube, but if I'm not passionate about it, and if I'm not motivated or drive, I'm not going to reach those goals on YouTube, because YouTube is a lot of work. YouTube does not come like just so fast, and doesn't just come to you. You have to earn it. You have to work hard for it. So this year, 2019, I am really going to be passionate and be more driven towards my YouTube goal. And speaking of YouTube goals, sorry you guys have to keep seeing my feet. I'm like sitting like crisscross applesauce. So speaking of YouTube, I want to reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2019. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this, because last year I was supposed to, in 2018 I was supposed to reach 5,000. I didn't reach that, but honestly I blame myself for that, because I wasn't consistent. I didn't film as much. I took like a 6-month break on YouTube. I really wasn't consistent, but this year my goal is 10,000 subscribers. So let's see if we can make this happen. And so I'm going to put this, actually I'm going to put this up here by 2019, and I'm going to put this quote underneath it, because I feel like it goes hand in hand like that. And then another goal I have for myself is just to think more positive. This one is just more positive thinking of myself and more positive thinking of situations. And this right here, I have to stop telling myself that things are impossible, and instead of saying impossible, why don't you say possible? And so I guess, like, I just want to be telling myself more like it's possible to do this, and you can do this. So I'm going to put this right up here. I feel like my vision board is mostly like quotes, but you know what, this year in 2019, that's what I really want to focus on, is my mindset, you know. And another thing that I want to achieve is I want to be able to fight my anxiety more. I've been suffering with anxiety since I was 10 years old, and I'm 24 years old now, so I really want to work on that, my anxiety. So I'm just going to put this right here. And now, this one right here is really nice. Self-care isn't selfish. I used to think that, like, you know, focusing on yourself and caring about yourself was very selfish, but I'm realizing as I'm getting older is that, no, you have to take care of yourself, because you can't put other people first all the time, which is something I used to do a lot. I would always put other people first and always put their needs in front of my needs. So this year I'm really trying to put myself first more, you know. So right here, I'm just gonna put this right here. And now For 2019, I would love to get a new computer. I have a 2011 MacBook Pro, a 17-inch. I'm very grateful for it, but it's time for an upgrade just so I can edit my videos a little bit better and have like a faster like processing for my videos. So I definitely want to get a new laptop this year. Sorry, I keep saying this year. We're still in 2018. In 2019, I definitely want to get a new laptop. This is like my dream wig right here. This is from myfirstwig.com. I really want to get this wig. I love this wig. It's so pretty because my hair is like, I'm just so sick and tired of doing my hair, so I really want to get this wig. So I'm going to put this wig right here because I really want her. She's beautiful. In 2019, I want to be more fashionable, so I just got some like fashion pictures that I can put right here that will just help me to stay motivated and just being more fashionable right here. And also in 2019, I want to grow my hair, so I just found this like cool shirt that has like different inches and stuff. So I don't know how long my hair, I don't know how many inches my hair is, but I definitely just want to grow my hair like that. I'm gonna put this right here, and this vision board is actually really nice. I feel like it's similar to the 2018 one, but in a way it's somewhat different, you know. So this right here, and put this one here, this, and then I really want to work on achieving clear skin. I started actually going to esthetician and getting facials, so you know, I'm really like excited to see if my skin will really clear up in 2019. So I really want to do that, getting clear skin. And also I have right here routine. So this is like a clock. Basically, I really want to start living in routine because I am so out of routine right now, and I feel like my life is just like crazy. So I really would love to get a routine going. So I realized my vision board was looking kind of empty with what I had cut out, so I went back to my computer and I printed out some more pictures to add to it because it was looking so empty. So basically, another thing that I would love to get in 2019 is I want to get Final Cut Pro just to edit my videos better and just to have like better quality videos for YouTube. And another thing that I really want to do again in 2019 is I want to go on a cruise. I went on a 7-day cruise this year in 2018, and I really love cruises. So that is definitely something that I want to do in 2019 again. And I want to create this right here. I wanted to do this in 2018 as well. It's a do-it-yourself like purse organizer, and this is so cute. I know that you can go to IKEA and get like the shelf and like probably spray paint it and then get marble paper and just put it on each shelf. So that's what I really want to make for my purses, because my purses are just sitting on top of my closet. And yeah, so I would love to do that in 2019. And another thing that I found, another quote that I found that I love, it says, believe in your vision and everything you can to turn it into reality. So for example, my vision for 2019 is to grow on YouTube, and I have to believe in it, and I have to believe in my vision, and I have to do everything I can to turn it into reality, because there's no point in saying something's your vision if you're not going to do it, you know. So I'm going to put this right here. This is really big. This is my vision board. I was thinking about maybe like adding some more like pictures and stuff, but so far this is what I have for my vision board. I really like it. And you know, when you guys, if you create a vision board, I really do recommend creating a vision board, because I cannot tell you how many times I look at my vision board. Like the vision board I had from last year, I would look at it every single morning and every day, and I was like, okay, you know, I didn't do this, I didn't do that, so let me do it. And a vision board really just makes it turn into reality for you, and just makes you, it motivates you to want to do it more. Like, for example, now that I see, okay, I want to reach 10,000 subscribers, I want to get Final Cut Pro, I want to tackle my anxiety, how am I going to achieve these things? So every day that I look at my vision board, I'm like, this is what I want for myself, and this is what I see for myself, so how can I do these things? So if you guys want to create a vision board, please create a vision board. And I cannot wait for what 2019 has in store for me. I really can't tell you how excited I am for 2019. 2018 was a good year, but 2019, I just cannot wait to see what happens in 2019. Thank you so much for watching. I cannot wait to see you guys in 2019. Again, if you're watching this is going to be probably posted on Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas if you celebrate Christmas. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And again, please share your ideas of what you put in your vision board, and I can't wait to see it. And thank you again for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.